Ryan's got a few bullet points of some things that have changed specifically due to this.
Right.
So why don't you run us through, I think you've got 4 things you'll kind of talk through. Why don't you share those with us?
Yeah, exactly. So there are 4 things. As with all industries, since COVID-19 hit, the insurance industry has changed and adjusted and really have become much more flexible. The first one really is billing. It's obviously had a huge financial hit on people, and insurance industries are understanding of that, and so they're basically giving 30-day grace period on payment, sometimes extending it even a little bit further than that. Second, the state of Illinois actually, along with most states, if not all states, put a moratorium on canceling policies for non-pay. So really, at this point, carriers are not allowed to cancel policies for non-pay, just again because of the financial hit that people have taken. So the third one, a couple of weeks ago, it was in the news. Insurance carriers started giving discounts, and at this point, I believe all personal auto carriers are giving discounts for the months of April and May. How much and how they divvy that out kind of varies. Generally, it's been 15 to 20%, and again, some people are just, if you pay in April and May, they just take 15 or 20% off, and so you just don't pay as much. Some are giving dividends; they're like cutting a check or something like that. But pretty much all auto carriers are giving some kind of a discount because less people are driving in April and May specifically, and obviously the claim activity is down, and they want to just pass those savings along to you. So the fourth one is just a general flexibility again on payment and coverage a little bit. The one that really stands out to me is forever any kind of delivery exposure. So if you drive for Uber Eats or Grubhub or something like that, it was always absolutely excluded under your auto policy. And now some carriers are actually allowing people to do that, understanding that, hey, you need to work, and some people are now doing delivery because carry out is still allowed. And so some companies are being flexible with that. Now, that being said, I don't want that to be sort of an industry-wide, like everyone's doing that. I would recommend with all these things, check with your agent, check with your carrier to see specifically what your company is doing.
Yeah, that's a great point. Because, a lot of people have kind of decided, or even people just thinking, I want to help somehow.
Sure.
And there's people that can't get out. And so how can I help? Well, I could drive and get something and take it to them with no contact. So that's great. Okay, that's a great point.